Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the SPTA high-powered 170 watt rotary tool. Let's have a look what you get inside the box. Put that to one side. Comes in a nice handy case. Not sure which way up should open. Hopefully we've got it right. We have got it right. So get some paperwork. Tool itself. Oh, you get a shaft with it. And you get some accessories. Some grinding discs. Spare parts. Going to get some power to it, and we're going to see what the power settings are like on there. See how it is. It's got variable speed. So I'll be back in 1 second with a bit of power. Okay, so now we've got a bit of power. We're going to go from setting 1 to maximum while it's on, and this should go from 8,000 revs to 35,000 revs per minute, which is the rotations on this machine. So we're going to start with 1. And work our way up. Which is on maximum. Got a nice bit of power on switch. When placing parts in and out, it has got this push button where you can put the bits in. Helps change things faster. So that will just unplug it so I don't accidentally hit it on again. And large amount of accessories that come with it. You can get a large pack. I went for the smaller pack because I've already got some other accessories. What we'll do, we'll have a little bit of play around with these and other accessories that I've already got and see how we get on with it. We'll have our opinion at the end of it. Okay, so we're just going to test out one of the pieces on a bit of rust, see how we get on. Just testing it. Works right on removing rust with the pieces that are supplied with it. I'm just going to change the bit and we'll see how we get on with sharpening. Okay, so now we put the grinding disc on. Ideally it should have a vise and stuff, but
So we're spending a bit more time on it. You could get a nice sharp edge on it fully again. So quite happy with that. So having had a little go with the sharpening tool and the grinding tool, quite happy with the product, and as I test more in the future, if you'd like, comment below and I'll add more videos.